What's wrong, baby? Come on. What's up? Spit it out.
Is she okay?
You okay?
Is she breathing?
Yeah.
Kevin, try doing something.
What?
I don't know, maybe there's something stuck in her throat or something. Maybe it's something inside that fucking thing.
It's just rubber. I mean, she's been doing this before she got that. She's breathing. She's okay.
Zoe, can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. You okay?
Can you have her go drink some water? Kevin, go have her drink some water.
Can you open up? Can you open up for Daddy?
It's okay, Zoe. She looks like she just has a lot of mucus or something.
And sometimes I feel like it's like an upper respiratory infection or something.
You okay?